Hello everyone, and welcome to KARAikal. Nestled along the southeastern coast of India, KARAikal is a place where the land meets the sea in the most picturesque way. This charming town is part of the Union Territory of Puducherry and is known for its serene beaches, rich cultural heritage and warm hospitality. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone looking to unwind by the sea, KARAikal has something special to offer. This beautiful coastal town is a hidden gem in India. The coastline stretches for miles, offering breathtaking views of the Bay of Bengal. The beaches here are pristine, with golden sands and clear blue waters that invite you to take a dip or simply relax under the shade of swaying palm trees. The gentle waves and the cool sea breeze create a tranquil atmosphere that is perfect for a peaceful getaway. It's part of the Puducherry region. This region is known for its unique blend of French and Indian cultures, which is evident in the architecture, cuisine and lifestyle of the people. KARAikal, in particular, stands out with its distinct identity and charm. The town is well connected by road and rail, making it easily accessible for travelers from different parts of the country. KARAikal sits beside the Bay of Bengal. The proximity to the sea has shaped the town's history and culture over the centuries. Fishing is a major occupation here, and you can see colorful fishing boats dotting the coastline. The local seafood is a must-try, with fresh catches being served in many of the town's eateries. The sea also plays a significant role in the local festivals and traditions, adding to the vibrant cultural tapestry of KARAikal. This special location gives it a unique character and charm. The streets of KARAikal are lined with colonial-era buildings, ancient temples and modern structures, creating a fascinating blend of old and new. As you stroll through the town, you'll come across quaint shops selling local handicrafts, bustling markets and cozy cafes where you can enjoy a cup of traditional South Indian filter coffee. The town's architecture reflects its rich history and the various influences that have shaped it over the years. KARAikal is a place where history and nature come together. The town is home to several historical monuments, including ancient temples that date back centuries. These temples are not only places of worship but also architectural marvels that showcase the craftsmanship of the bygone eras. Surrounded by lush greenery and scenic landscapes, these historical sites offer a serene and spiritual experience for visitors. You can relax on the sandy beaches. The beaches of KARAikal are perfect for unwinding and soaking up the sun. Whether you prefer lounging on the sand with a good book, building sandcastles with your family, or taking a leisurely stroll along the shore, the beaches here offer a variety of activities for everyone. The calm and shallow waters make it a safe spot for swimming, especially for children. You can explore ancient temples. KARAikal is dotted with temples that are steeped in history and mythology. Each temple has its own unique story and significance, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. The intricate carvings, towering gopurams, temple towers, and serene surroundings make these temples a must-visit for anyone interested in history, architecture, or spirituality. Some of the notable temples include the KARAikal Amayar Temple and the Saniswara Temple. The friendly people of KARAikal make it even more special. The locals are known for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. As you explore the town, you'll be greeted with smiles and friendly conversations. The people of KARAikal take pride in their culture and are always eager to share stories about their heritage and traditions. This sense of community and belonging adds to the overall charm of the town. Come with me as we uncover the wonders of KARAikal. From its stunning beaches and historical landmarks to its vibrant culture and friendly people, KARAikal is a destination that promises a memorable experience. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to this coastal gem. Let's explore the beauty and charm of KARAikal together. KARAikal has a tropical climate. Nestled along the southeastern coast of India, this charming town is blessed with warm temperatures and abundant sunshine throughout the year. The tropical climate means that KARAikal experiences relatively stable weather patterns, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a sunny escape. This means it's warm and sunny for most of the year. The sun shines brightly, casting a golden hue over the pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. Visitors can bask in the sunlight, enjoying the perfect beach day almost any time they choose to visit. The consistent warmth makes it a haven for sun seekers and beach lovers alike. The best time to visit is between October and March. During these months, the weather is particularly pleasant, with temperatures ranging from mild to warm. This period is considered the peak tourist season, as the climate is ideal for outdoor activities and exploration. Whether you're interested in sightseeing, water sports, or simply relaxing by the sea, these months offer the perfect conditions. During these months, the weather is pleasant. The gentle breezes and moderate temperatures create a comfortable environment for all kinds of activities. Families can enjoy picnics by the beach, couples can take romantic strolls along the shore, and adventurers can embark on exciting excursions without the discomfort of extreme heat or humidity. It's perfect for exploring all that KARAikal has to offer. From historical landmarks and cultural sites to natural wonders and scenic vistas, there's something for everyone. The town's rich heritage and vibrant culture are on full display, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its unique charm. Whether you're visiting ancient temples, bustling markets, or serene beaches, KARAikal promises a memorable experience. The gentle sea breeze keeps the air fresh. This refreshing breeze is a constant companion, providing a natural cooling effect that makes even the warmest days enjoyable. The sound of the wind rustling through the palm trees and the sight of the waves gently crashing on the shore create a soothing ambience that enhances the overall experience. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. The sun's rays are gentle yet invigorating, providing the perfect balance of warmth and comfort. Sunbathers can relax on the soft sands, soaking up the sun's energy, while others can engage in beach activities like volleyball, frisbee, or simply building sandcastles. The sun's presence is a constant reminder of the tropical paradise that KARAikal truly is. The sound of the waves is very relaxing. The rhythmic ebb and flow of the ocean waves create a natural symphony that calms the mind and soothes the soul. Whether you're lounging on the beach, taking a leisurely walk along the shore, or simply sitting and watching the waves, the sound of the ocean provides a tranquil backdrop that enhances the sense of peace and relaxation. KARAikal is a great place to unwind and enjoy the beauty of nature. The serene coastal landscape, combined with the town's laid-back atmosphere, makes it an ideal destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, KARAikal offers a perfect blend of sun, sand, and gentle breezes that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. KARAikal Beach is a must-see. The golden sand stretches as far as the eye can see. The clear blue water is perfect for swimming and sunbathing. You can take a leisurely stroll along the shore. KARAikal also has tranquil backwaters. These waterways are surrounded by lush greenery. You can take a boat trip and enjoy the peace and quiet. The backwaters are home to many species of birds. It's a birdwatcher's paradise. KARAikal is home to unique mangrove forests. These forests are a vital part of the coastal ecosystem, providing numerous benefits to both the environment and the local communities. Mangroves are not just trees. They are a complex network of roots, trunks, and leaves that create a unique habitat for a variety of species. These forests grow where the land meets the sea. This unique positioning allows them to act as a buffer between the ocean and the land, protecting the coastline from the harsh effects of waves and storms. The mangroves' dense root systems trap sediments and reduce coastal erosion, making them essential for shoreline stability. The mangrove trees have special roots that help them thrive in salty water. These roots, known as pneumatophores, stick out of the water and allow the trees to breathe in an environment where oxygen is limited. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in the challenging conditions of coastal areas. They provide a habitat for many creatures. The intricate root systems offer shelter and breeding grounds for a wide range of marine and terrestrial species. From tiny invertebrates to larger mammals, the mangroves support a diverse array of life forms. You can see crabs, fish, and other marine life thriving in the mangrove waters. These creatures play a crucial role in the food web, supporting larger predators and maintaining the ecological balance of the area, and even otters in the mangroves. Otters are often seen playing and hunting in these waters, adding to the dynamic and lively atmosphere of the mangrove ecosystem. The mangrove forests are vital to the environment. They act as carbon sinks, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to mitigate climate change. Additionally, they filter pollutants from the water, improving the quality of the coastal waters and benefiting both marine life and human populations. They protect the coastline from erosion. By stabilizing the soil with their extensive root systems, mangroves prevent the loss of land and property, which is especially important in areas prone to natural disasters like hurricanes and tsunamis. During certain times of the year, many birds migrate to KARAikal. These migratory birds travel thousands of miles to reach the mangroves, where they find abundant food and safe nesting sites. The arrival of these birds is a spectacular event, drawing birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts from all over the world. These birds add splashes of color to the already vibrant landscape. Their presence not only enhances the beauty of the mangroves, but also indicates the health of the ecosystem. A thriving bird population is a sign of a well-balanced and productive environment, showcasing the importance of preserving these unique habitats for future generations. KARAikal has a rich cultural heritage. One of the most important landmarks is the KARAikal Ammayar temple. This temple is dedicated to a female saint. Her name was KARAikal Ammayar. She lived in the 6th century. KARAikal Ammayar was a devotee of Lord Shiva. She is known for her beautiful hymns and poetry. The temple is a place of pilgrimage for many people. It's a peaceful oasis in the heart of the town. Agriculture is very important in KARAikal. The fertile land is perfect for growing crops. Rice is one of the main crops grown here. It's a staple food in many South Indian dishes. Farmers also grow other crops like sugarcane, pulses and groundnuts. The agricultural abundance of KARAikal is a testament to the hard work of its people. It also contributes to the local cuisine. If you have time, you can explore the areas around KARAikal. Nedungadu is a nearby town with a historic Shiva temple. It's worth a visit. Another popular attraction is the Basilica of Our Lady of Good Health in Velankani. This church is a major pilgrimage site for Christians. Millions of people visit it every year. KARAikal is a unique destination. It offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, from its pristine beaches to its ancient temples. KARAikal has something for everyone. You can relax on the beach, explore the backwaters, or immerse yourself in the local culture. The warmth of the people will make you feel welcome. KARAikal is waiting to be discovered. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of life. You can reconnect with nature and yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of KARAikal.